Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I'm playing around with the clone tool. I just made a video on making this design, but someone's going to probably ask, well, how would you make that and then cut it out? So just select, these are individual parts. We've taken away the outline. Let's select all of that and go right here and see exactly what it says. Create a border. Now I've got my nudge factor set on 20 inches so we can see what's going on. And then you can take and go to Effects, Contour. Let's contour this 1/4 of an inch to the outside. Go up to Object, Break Contour Apart. Take our inside line and knock it out, and then just move this back. So now what you have is a black hairline. I would turn the black hairline red, just so you'll know that it is a cut line. And you could cut out that shape, have a little bit of wood. You could actually not contour it and cut it right on the mark, but I think it would look better if you had a little bit of wood on the outside of the shape. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.